Welcome to Maths Tuition Hub. This video is on cost diagram in trigonometry. This will help you to master cost diagram, which is an essential tool for understanding the signs of trigonometric functions in different quadrants of unit circle. First, we will learn to draw the cost diagram. We will learn how to identify the quadrants and trigonometric functions. We'll go through step-by-step instructions on how to apply the cost diagram and to solve the trigonometric angles. We will work through some examples and exam questions. At the end, we will get some helpful tips to remember to draw the cost diagram and effectively use it in our questions. Before we start, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful maths videos. Let's begin with cost diagram. We draw a circle and divide circle into 4 quadrants and label each quadrant with the number 1, 2, 3, 4 in an anti-clockwise direction and label angles on the diagram 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360 degrees. And now label the word starting from the 4th quadrant and in anti-clockwise direction again. And C means all cos positive, A is all positive, S is sin positive, and T is tan positive. Label angle in each of these quadrants. And the value of angle in the first quadrant is theta, and in the second quadrant the value of angle will be 180 minus theta. In the third quadrant the value of angle is 180 plus theta, and in the fourth quadrant the value of an angle is 360 minus theta. Let's learn how the signs of trigonometric functions change in each quadrant. In the first quadrant, sin is positive, cos is positive, and tan is positive. In the second quadrant, sin values are positive, cos values are negative, tan values are negative. In the third quadrant, sin values are negative, cos values are negative, and tan values are positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos values are positive, sin values are negative, and tan values are negative. Let's learn how to use cost diagram in our questions. Sin 30 is 0.5. Label 30 degrees in the first quadrant and label 30 degrees in the second quadrant because we are working with sine function. In the second quadrant we have values are 180 minus theta. So sin 180 minus 30 gives you sin 150, which is same value as sin 30, which is 0.5. Let's do the next question. Cos 45. Label 45 degrees in first quadrant and in the fourth quadrant because cos values are positive in the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant we have 360 minus theta values. So cos 360 minus 45 will give us cos 315, which is same as cos 45. The value of cos 45 and cos 315 is root 2 over 2. Let's go through the exam question now. Angle theta is such that tan theta is 1.5 and theta values are between 0 and 360. We have to find the two values of theta in here. So find theta first. Tan inverse of 1.5. Use calculator here to get the value of theta, which is 56.3. Now start drawing the cos diagram. Label the word cast on the diagram from the fourth quadrant and label angles. We have tan function here. Tan is positive in first quadrant and in the third quadrant. So we label theta value, which is 56.3 in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant. And now find the theta value. Theta is 180 plus theta in the third quadrant. So 180 plus 56.3 will give us 236.3 degrees. So the answers for two values of theta are 56.3 and 236.3. Hope this video will be helpful for you to strengthen your trigonometric skills. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.